Hi friends, today I'll be showing you a brown glittery look. I like to start with the face primer. Any face primer is good. I love to use Kylie Cosmetics lip balm. These are beautiful. They keep my lips moisturized. I then go on with my Nars Foundation. I dab it all over. Also, my headbands are available if you're interested. These are only $5. I'm gonna leave the link in the description down below. I then go in with my concealer and Age Rewind from Maybelline. This one, I love it so much because it hides my little fine lines. I like to make sure I blend everywhere, highlight everywhere as well. I go and put my L'Oreal loose powder and I kind of dab it in the lower eyelid and then my forehead, my nose, and down the bridge of my nose, and then basically my face. It's so relaxing. I then go in with my NYX bronzer in matte. I try to bronze as much as I can so that I can minimize my acne. I then come in with my pomade and then start not drawing, but kind of like forming the same shape, and then darkening, lining, and so on. I do brush them before I start, and then I line. A singing moment. I then come in with my Maybelline concealer. Make sure I line and clean as much as possible, the bottom and the top, and then kind of blend with my blending sponge. I add a blush from Kylie Cosmetics. This one is a really nice kind of like a lighter orange tone, and then I go in with my highlighter from Kylie Cosmetics as well. Hi friends, I already have my foundation. I'm gonna go ahead and start my eyeshadow look with this palette. I'm actually getting ready to film a YouTube haul. I bought me some flannels, shirts, and yeah. I'm going in with this eyeshadow so that it can blend a little light brown together. I want a shimmery smoky, so I'm gonna go in with this one. I always use my middle finger because I feel so comfortable with it. I am so sorry. And then I dab it in with my finger. I am now gonna go in and blend with the same shadow I used. Make sure that everything's nicely blended. It's so funny because I've never filmed a video. I usually film through my camera, but it's not that hard. I thought it was hard. I am gonna go with the same shadow at the bottom of my eyelid. My bottom lid. I want a little bit more of the shimmery, so I'm gonna go in with this one and kind of like dab it in the middle. I'm trying on glues. I'm gonna try this one. This one I bought it on Amazon. I said it was really good. It had really wonderful reviews. So I'm gonna go ahead and try it today. I am gonna go in with my lashes from my lash line. They are Sylver Glitter. I do have a discount code. You can use TikTok 10 so that you can get some money off this headband. I have it available. I'll be back. I'm in love with pink, so this one, I love it so far, the color. So it turned out the glue is magnetic. I'm not mad about it. It sticks really nice. It's a nice glue. Now we're gonna go with my favorite mascara at the bottom lashes. I'm gonna go ahead and curl the lashes. I'm gonna go in with my MAC lip liner and cork, and then this kind of like glitter. And yeah, this is the final look. The lashes are very light. I love them. The lipstick is beautiful.